go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hey guys, I'm going to start off with my brows. I've already prepped my brows using the Got To Be Glued freeze spray and a spoolie. And now I'm just going to fill in and line my brows with this Loreal eye pencil. The color is in Brunette. The full description for all the items in the video will be listed down in the bottom section. To line and clean up my brows, I'm using these two eye pencil and L'Oreal Infallible full wear concealers in that spoolie, and then I'm going to put them on that palette there. The two colors that I used was Almond and Toffee. I used Toffee for my top brow and I used Almond for the bottom brow because it's a little bit lighter than my skin, and Toffee actually matches my skin, so that's why I use that at the top. Next, I'm using this hard candy baked blush. I've had this for a while, you guys. This is a really pretty pink shimmery color. Sorry, it's called Living Doll, and that's how it looks. If you can see, y'all, it has like some gold flakes in there with a little bit of shimmer, and I'm just kind of using that as kind of like it's going under there so I can have like a little shimmer on my cheek along with my blush. As my actual blush, I'm going to be using Raisin by MAC. Y'all know I love this blush. I've had it for quite a few years. It's a pretty reddish brown. It's just pretty, you guys. You guys are going to see it. I'm going to place that on my cheeks over that highlight that I put. And this is just to put that color and have a little shimmer to it. Going to be using this Fenty Beauty pressed powder foundation in the color 360, same color as my foundation. Gonna take my Maybelline Sky High mascara. Y'all know this is my favorite mascara at the moment, and I am going to go ahead and line my bottom and top lashes. I've started doing this after I finish all my makeup, just so I wouldn't have to go back in and do it all over because of product getting on my lashes and just messing up what I. Next, you all, what I'm going to be doing is taking these 3 products right here, and all of these are going on my lip. First, this is the lip gloss by Sauce & Cosmetics. This is my friend's cosmetics line. It's in bubblegum. And the next is by Colourpop. This is a lipstick. It's called Westie. Sorry y'all couldn't see that. And the next is a MAC lip pencil in chestnut. I'm going to line my lip, put the lipstick, and then put the lip gloss. What I'm going to go ahead and do next, you guys, is take this setting spray. It's by Urban Decay. It's the All Nighter Ultra Matte Spray. And I'm just going to spray my face to set all my makeup. You guys, I absolutely love this spray. It assists with me keeping all day matte without being cakey. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I absolutely love you guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Most of all, don't forget to like the video, you guys. Bye.